After downloading the BLAZE server and client, complete the server installation first. This video demonstrates the subsequent client installation process. Once the BLAZE server is installed on a separate device within the same network, you will need to install the client. When prompted, allow the app to make changes to your device. If you would like a desktop shortcut, keep the box checked and click Next. Follow the prompts to begin the installation. This process may take a few moments. Once the setup is complete, click Finish to launch the client. The BLAZE client is now ready. Double-click the icon to open the program. For a new installation, you must read and accept the terms and conditions. Review the agreements by clicking on them, then select Accept and click OK. The client will automatically detect any local servers installed on your network. If a server is already configured, it will appear here automatically. If a server hasn't been set up yet, it will still appear in the auto-discovered list, allowing you to complete the setup from the client. Let's look at an example. For servers that have been installed but not yet configured, proceed with the following setup steps. In this scenario, the server name will appear under auto-discovered with a pending setup status. To connect, select the server and click Connect. Then click Begin Setup and define the system name. Proceed by creating the necessary credentials. The server setup is now complete. Returning to the previous screen, we will now proceed with the final step of the installation. Once the server is ready, log in using the credentials created during the initial installation. The process is now complete. You now have full access to your BLAZE server.